Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how you can use ChatGPT in order to use it with campaign URL parameters. The example I took over here is the one of an email signature. So when you send an email, you can add a signature to it, and within the signature you can track the different links which are forwarding the end user to your website. So typically here I have a logo, I have my website, I have as well a CTA over here as for a quote. So the prompt that I was thinking of is, here is my email signature, to point, and then you copy and paste your signature. Note that the logo may not appear, so as a result in ChatGPT, you need to explain it later on that this is the logo place. And my prompt is the following one. Can you provide me with Matomo Analytics tracking URL? So you can precise that those are MTM parameters in order to avoid it to getting confused with Google Analytics parameters. For specific links in my email signature, each link should have a detailed explanation of the tracking parameter used. So the idea, of course, is to get an internal documentation for your company. The links will send to various pages of my website, and I would like to add the tracking parameter to be customized to reflect the interaction with my email signature. So to say I'm interested in mentioning that this one is like the top link, this one is the bottom link, and so on and so forth. And I'm giving, of course, the link that I would like ChatGPT to work on. So I just go over here, I copy the links, and then I go back over here and I just paste those like this, and then ChatGPT is gonna make it. So of course you can tailor your prompt over here. For example, if you would like to get all this documentation to use within an internal wiki, you can of course ask, in addition to this, to add a markdown block code so that it's easy copy and paste, and that you can keep the formats of your documentation. So here you found out the logo, and then it's telling me, okay, I'm going to use, okay, that's confusing. It seems using PK campaign. I mean, that's no big deal, but that's kind of an issue here because I asked for MTM parameter, but that's okay anyway. I mean, like, you can change your prompt and just say, hey, it's almost perfect, but do it with MTM parameter. So here I'm just going to stop it and say, hey, MTM parameters, because it seems that you forgot. Okay, so MTM parameters. Okay, and then it's gonna make them. So in fact, MTM parameters are not specifically for Matomo Tag Manager, but they are for Matomo. And now it's making, in fact, the MTM campaign as I expected. So as you can see, it's giving me the explanation. So the name is email signature, which I think is a good name. Keyword logo, it's, I think, a good entity. And then normally, if it's consistent, it should keep MTM campaign email signature on and on. So as you can see here, I'm getting the result that I expect. Now, so of course, next step is you copy those links, you insert them within your email signature, and then people will be properly identified if they click on your signature. So let's imagine that these links get fired. What's going to be the ended result? So here I just did it. So normally the logo information should appear, and if I go over here and I look at the date of the day, I'm going to get Ronan Chardonneau, which is the campaign ID. So it's informing that this signature was specifically coming from me, that this is the email signature, the medium is signature, the content is logo, the keyword is logo. So yeah, it's a duplicate, but I mean, sometimes you have no choices. If you are asking it to use all the parameters, it will use some duplicates because there's no distinction between one another. I guess if I would have put like an alt attribute on my logos, that will definitely be the one which will be over here. Campaign source email, that's good. Campaign group consulting, why not? And campaign placement top. Okay. Next link. So if I pick up, let's say this one, and I paste it over here, I will get exactly the same result. So to say another link, track differently. And that's what I get over here. As you can see, this one is the body, email, website, mail link, signature, and so on and so forth. So this is an effective prompt that you can use in order to ask to ChatGPT to give you guidance about how to track your campaign URL with Matomo. Hope you enjoyed it.